Hello! In this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can check, find and access your mobile phone number on this TCL Tab 10s device. So first of all, open up the Messenger app or SMS Messages app that looks just like so. Here, locate these three dots. They should be either in here, at the top right corner, or as it is in my case, like in the middle, kinda. So let's go ahead and tap on them, go for settings. At the settings you want to head straight for the advanced. And as you can see right now, almost at the bottom part of the page, we have the actual phone number of ours listed right here. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.